Hello everyone. We will be discussing about the lean management tool called Kaizen. Change is inevitable. We cannot stop the change to happen. Peter Drucker, the father of modern management, once said, "Only thing permanent in this world is change." Nokia, which is the biggest manufacturer of the mobile phones once upon a time, failed. Similarly, Kodak, one of the leading producers of camera, failed. The reason was same. They both resisted change. Kaizen is basically a Japanese word where Kai means change and Zen means good, and it is a change for continuous improvement. There are two types of Kaizens, post Kaizen and natural Kaizen. Post Kaizen basically occurs between different external pressures. The company has to fight for their survival and they have to showcase their ability to compete, and it is basically a firefighting instinct under external pressure. Natural Kaizens are imbibed in the cultural values to improve continuously, and both are important and got their own values. Kaizen Cycle. We have established procedure in a company, and we have a process working as per the established procedure, and we have a Kaizen system. Whenever there are improvement studies or some failure studies in the process, we come up with new ways of working the same thing or new techniques, and those under the umbrella of Kaizen are studied and given as input to the established procedure. The procedure is reviewed and a new procedure is made, and it is given to process to work upon. The process now work upon as per the new procedure, and this is a feedback loop, and it goes on. Many of us think that Kaizen and innovation are the same thing, but no, they differ from each other. If we see Kaizen is a slow and steady improvement. It doesn't stop, it just keeps on going. But maybe the intensity, the quantum of the improvement may not be too large, while the innovation is a leap improvement but it's not steady, it's not consistent. We can say that Kaizen is a continuous improvement where small investment is required and majority of the time the improvement is of a small quantum. It's cultural change and people oriented and basically applied in maintenance, operation and production processes. While innovation is a pulse improvement, it requires large investment. It is an improvement booster and professional oriented, applied mainly in research and development. We can put an analogous to Kaizen and innovation in terms of the story of tortoise and rabbit. Tortoise is slow but steady. Rabbit is, we can say, highly energetic, comes in between as a pulse, but not consistent. Kaizen tools. We have several Kaizen tools to brainstorm, to find out new ways to resolve problems. Seven quality control tools are the basic. Data collection, checklist, character analysis, stratification, cause and effect diagrams, histograms, schematic diagrams, charts, and card. 5W and 1H, that is what, who, where, when, why, and how. 3 move checklist, Muda, Muri, Muda means waste, straining more than the capacity, deviating from a process, Pokayuki means stick cooking. 4M checklist means material, method, machine, man. Judoka, that is facility or authority to stop a process immediately once an error has been introduced and identified. SMED, single mid axle tie and 5S, sword, sudden order, shine, standard sustain. All these tools helps in developing new solutions to improve the process continuously. Every company has a Kaizen structure. Idea management system is very important, where the idea comes from each and every section of the company, from the shop floor, junior management level, middle management level, senior management level, and ideas are very important. There is a structured procedure of giving idea, generating idea, reviewing those ideas, implementing those ideas, and then rewarding for those ideas. And we have small group activities called SGA, where we many times put a team of 2 to 3 persons from various uh, different sections to come out to solution for a specific problem. Kaizen Bridge is also very important. It is organized as a campaign whenever we need the solution to some specific problem, like we want to conserve energy, we want to have generation of many ideas so that the consumption of energy of a company can be reduced. So it can be done by organizing Kaizen campaigns called Kaizen Blitz. And policy deployment is very important, where the top management put clear and concise instructions to the all the section of the company. Now, assessment of the Kaizen. All the ideas generated or produced is assessed how much creative they are, how much original they are, how much effort is put in evolving the new method, whether it is feasible or practical to implement, and what are the economic impact it has, like it will reduce the production cost, it will reduce the time cycle, and what all are the indirect contributions to quality, productivity, safety, etc. Now, Kaizen has a reward mechanism, and it is basically a little uniform reward system. All ideas are appreciated, and major contributors are awarded by top management. Here, we can say that reward value is not of so important, but recognition is very important. Kaizen benefits. There are many, but to list a few. It brings a cultural change. It recognizes the contributors at the top level. Improvement, improvement never stops here. It keeps on improving. The cycle keeps on going. Team building through SGA activities. It is a humanistic approach, people-oriented concept. It uses basic analytical tools which can be easily understood by shop floor persons. It's important that the output and the process used to achieve that output both are healthy, both are okay. Develop discipline, and the learning is through the cross-functional study. Thank you very much.